Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to deal with the "this story is unavailable" problem on Instagram. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So you open your Instagram account and for whatever reason, whenever you try to open someone's story, it says this story is unavailable. If this happens to a single story or if it happens to a single user's story on your Instagram, then it may be because the user has deleted their story after posting it or because their account has been suspended for whatever reason. But if this appears for every story that you open, then it becomes an issue. And for this, what you do is you go back, then long press on Instagram app, tap on app info, then tap on storage, then tap on force stop, confirm that you want to force stop this application, then go to storage and tap on clear data. If you know all your login information, then you can tap on clear all data. This will reset all your Instagram's data and then you have to log in again. However, if you don't, then you can simply tap on clear cache, confirm that you want to clear cache, and then after that you open the Instagram app again and check if the problem is still ongoing. If it works and you can view other people's story, then it's fine. However, if you still cannot view other people's story and it still shows this story is unavailable for every story that you try to open, then you can screenshot it and report it on Instagram by selecting the help option under the settings and privacy on your profile. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.